Did you know last year in 2021, the average household income for a family of four in the United States was $79,900? Well, I'm going to explain to you how you can make this amount and more from the comfort of your own home starting right now. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Rod Green and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I will be helping people like you start a reliable and profitable online business so that you can spend more time with your friends and family and just doing what you love to do. Oh, and by the way, do me a favor and please consider subscribing because I'm going to be sharing with you all the secrets and details. And one of the reasons that I was able to become a stay-at-home dad is because I have multiple streams of income, but I didn't just wake up and click a button and make money. I actually had to put in the work to get to where I am now. So please, full disclaimer, full disclosure, the numbers in this industry are not typical. In fact, most people who are getting started online don't make a single penny. You have to put in the work. When I first started my online business back in 2017, I actually juggled with a bunch of different things. I tried Facebook ads, I tried selling t-shirts, I even sold restaurant equipment on Amazon, but none of that worked for me. I made a little bit of money here and there, but in the end, I was still trading time for money. And that's something I didn't want to do. I wanted to be there for my 2 boys and 2 girls. I wanted to raise them. I wanted to see them grow up, but I also had to make money working a 12 to 14 hour at a construction company every day that leaves my body exhausted with only enough time to eat, shower, and get prepared to get up to work the next day, only to repeat the same cycle over and over and over again. It really took away from what I wanted to be all along, which is a stay-at-home dad. Yeah, I was making a little bit of money here and there, but I was so tired that it was very difficult to make it through the day. And it was through all these other businesses that I tried, the Facebook ads, the Amazon, that I learned about what's called affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's product. It started to make sense, so I started to really dive into affiliate marketing and I started to consume as much as I could. I watched YouTube videos, I attended webinars, I bought books. I did everything I could to learn this business, and it was a little rough getting off the ground at first, but once I invested in training and I really started to dive into this, everything started to take off for me. Now, in my first year as affiliate marketing, I actually made like 13 cents. That was it. I think I sold a book on Amazon, and then my second year, I started to make $100 here, a couple $100 there, and then coming into my third year, it started to pick up $1,000 here, $1,000 there, but things didn't start to take off for me until I discovered the hub-based model. I began selling through my hub, and things started happening without having to sell. Things just started to skyrocket. I'll talk more about hub-based model in the upcoming videos, but that work I've done before is now starting to pay off. It's like planting seeds. It's a garden, right? You plant the seeds now to bear fruit later. So let's get into it. As I mentioned, guys, I have multiple different streams of income. These streams of income are actually affiliate marketing products and services that I promote that are not ClickBank or Amazon associates, but I go to private companies. And that, my friend, is what was a game changer for me, because these products are not watered down and saturated with so many marketers promoting the same affiliate link. It was too crowded. I have a core product that I promote, in which I'll talk about in a few seconds. And then I have another other products that complement the main product. Whenever you're doing affiliate marketing, you're always going to have your core, or in my case, I call it my high ticket offer. I always promote products and services that I personally use myself or have used in the past. And so I have my core product. Then I have smaller products underneath. These could be things like email automation, funnel builders, website builders, anything to help you grow your business. Now, the first one paid me $280 last year. And this was an email automation platform. But the great thing about this is going into the new year is that actually $80 reoccurring. So I'm going to get that $280 every single month. And as new people sign up every month, that number is going to continue to grow. The next affiliate offer pays be $1,000 every week. That will continue to grow, go up and up and up as members sign up. I believe one account caps off at $12,500 per week. And you could have up to 3 accounts. Yes, 3 accounts. And each account can max out to $12,500 per week. This is the power of private companies other than ClickBank and Amazon. You have a whole lot of guru people out there that says, go to ClickBank or go to JV Zoo or go to Amazon Associates. Like I said, it's too crowded. Everybody's doing the same exact thing. And so I didn't want to be hustling and bustling. And I didn't want that. So I recommend private offers. This is a gold and silver company, and I also accumulate great looking collectibles every single month from this company. And then next up is a tool called eStage. It's a new funnel builder. I've actually been using this tool since 2017, and I absolutely love it. I recommend it to anybody who watches my channel who says, hey, how do you build a website, or how do you actually make money online? What tools do you use? I always recommend eStage because I think it's the best for building an online business. It has everything you could possibly want. You can get eStage for 6 months or 1 year, absolutely free, depending on how you come into our community. What's great about eStage is that it's reoccurring revenue, and every month it starts to go up and up. And last is my core product that I promote, which is an affiliate marketing training, teaching people how to do exactly what I do, which is affiliate marketing, because I think it's hands down the best model, the best hanging fruit, especially for parents, right? If you want to be able to juggle the family life and the home life, but also build an online business, affiliate marketing is a great way to go. You can check it out just below this video, but this particular program is awesome, and the funnel builder that is eStage comes with it for 6 months or a year absolutely free. It's really a no-brainer. So now you can use the extra money to build your business without having to pay $97 or $297 a month for a funnel builder, which is pretty amazing. I went years making $20 a month, $50 a month, $100 a month, but the key is I never gave up, and I just kept at it and kept at it. So if you're thinking about getting started with an online business, you just got to stick with it. You can't give up because your family depends on you. If you keep that mindset, you will win. It's going to hit one day, guys. Just keep at it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that valuable. I want to be transparent with you guys. I want to share with you what's working, what's not working. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share with friends. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.